What's up, folks? Heine's morning update. Inside day yesterday, 37 to 80. So prior day was down at 25. That 36, and 76, which was the value area for the prior day. So that kind of held by one. Interesting, kind of a consolidation here and then down, but we came up and closed just short. That 59.63 is going to probably be my over-under. I think 56 was yesterday. So we'll see. Again, it's coiled in, so you had inside day here out. So it needs to break 25 or 97 to really do anything. I don't know if I see that today. Maybe it'll be tomorrow. I'd watch 80 and 37. I don't know. This is kind of a tough level here. Here's your 59's your pivot. Yesterday dropped right to my magic green line here, which was interesting. Today is at 44. Your S1's at 38. R1's at 81. That's a good level. 5002 on the R2 is good. And 5024, 16. These are decent. Downside if anything really happened, again, if that, I'd really look at that 34-30 area. If we break that, then I think that we can probably head down. But you have a lot of, this 10 level could hold 85, 75. A lot of these are, it would be really, it's hard to know where this is really going to stop if we head down. We still have singles down to 41 though from the prior day. So we will see. Upside above 97 is probably some more pivots here, 02 and 24. I like that. Again, tippy top 51, 66, 60 or 66, 70 would be my way upside target. I think we're kind of at the end of the topping range, but we'll see. Here's your daily going up. Your 50 day is still at 47.67, which is way below. 72, 73 area is going to be important on the macro here. 72. That's your open and close on the monthly. So we'll see if this continues to top out. We've had a lot of consolidation. 67 is your pivot for the month, so that's something to keep an eye out on. That's your 51, 66, 44, 87. This is the monster, the 41, 37, 35. So that was that level I called back when this happened. I said this would be the level I would watch. It's still the POC on a, I think it's a 3-year chart, 3-year volume. So I would expect at some point we'd gravitate towards this area, or maybe the 200, because that tends to hold on the macro. What else? SPX. Short and curly here on the gap fill and short and curly here on the gap fill. What they've been doing is missing it by like less than a point. So I haven't shaded the areas because I think it's too insignificant. But you do have, your only cash gap is 48.53 to 45, one directly below that. But you're in the 4800s. So that's, it's a 100-point drop. I don't see that today. Euro. That held the 107.2 levels. So I'm looking to see if we get a bounce. We don't get a bounce here, and then things are going to get real interesting in Europe. So you got a lot of farmer protests, a lot of stuff. It's bad there. Germany keeps coming out with just terrible economic news. So I'd keep an eye on this because this goes, dollar goes up. NVIDIA is above 700. Whatever. 709 is the high. It looks like they're going to open up north of 700. This is ridiculous. But whatever, if you're long it, congratulations, and I'd ride that train. I don't know where this will stop. There's no rational. This is kind of like the Tesla of 4 or 5 years ago where it just kept going up and it wasn't even profitable. NVIDIA is profitable and it's a decent product. So we'll see. Apple struggled, but stick saved the 200 the other day, so it's up comfortably at 187. I don't know where this is going, but I do keep it on my chart and watch it. Also keep Microsoft. Anyway, ES up 6, Dow's up 16, NASDAQ's up 37. 3-year auction at 1 p.m. is all I'm watching for today. You got a bunch of Fed speakers, so they may rattle the market, but I doubt they say anything convincing. But that 1 p.m. bond auctions are the new Fed days. So make sure that those are going to be what's going to move the market moving forward, in my opinion. So it's going to trump economic data at some point. So anyway, have a good day. I will be in the room. Stay safe.